my name is Chris Greenwood, and I will be representing Ekurhuleni Bowls in the upcoming Bowl South Africa Perfect Delivery Inter-District Tournament to be held in March, hosted by JBA. I will be skipping one of the open sides, and I'm looking forward to a great tournament and seeing some of my old friends again. So what does winning together mean for me? Well, firstly, it's about teamwork, where each and every member contributes to their strengths. The success comes from making sure all the players are on the same page and there is open communication. Secondly, it is about trust, where winning together is building an environment where teammates can uplift each other, trusting each other to perform at their best and confidence in their own ability. And lastly, it's about friendship. On the green, we all want to be competitive, but off the green, we build lasting friendships, not only with our own teammates, but players from other teams as well. So the tournament is on from the 10th to the 14th of March. So come down and support the players. There will be great bowls on display, and it will be lovely to see all the banks full of people. See you there.